I ain't been to train the house since interest.
How did it start in my head?
Got the beautiful cadence. Twin trim.
Let's go. We finna free that girl. Free that girl. Free that girl. Free that girl.
She praise dancing now.
Yeah, just to make it full, basically. Make it like at the end.
I can't see it, but keep it secret. Or I'm gonna be in the crowd like they do up there.
Should I start putting my clothes?
Look at this. I ain't got no haircut. Anyway, time check 3:43. In the bed with the queen. Did you go to Jacksonville with us last time we went to the game? No.
Hey. No.
You did. Oh, Lord.
Right. I thought I missed this step or something. I guess it's just
But yeah, we're finna decorate Genesis' room.
Huh?
Talk to my camera. Look at this, y'all. That's like a proud mom. This is so nice.
Oh yeah, her stuff gonna be packed.
You gonna hide that side behind there?
You gonna move her pillows, mama?
Yeah, we could. Tell them, Joe, they don't need
Y'all
no
know how Chinese slaves.
This shit on me, not in me. This shit in me, not on me, bro.
Boy, if you don't get the fuck out my face.
My probate, you feel me? She with the noobs now. She with the noobs now. She with the noobs now. She with the noobs now.
bloody ass.
She with the noobs.
Get low, this nigga.
I be so weak. That camera is cute.
Boom ba dum ba dum, boom ba dum ba dum.
Boom, ba doom, 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 doom.
No
You
flash.
after that
you feel me?
earthquake? The other me and Trinity.
Timu chain. I'll put the link in the comments.
Okay, y'all ready?
Turn lights off.
I just got a couple put on the words of phone.
Refine! Woo, 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 woo! Go, refine! Woo, 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 woo! Go, Jen, go! Go, Genesis! Woo, 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 woo! Refine! Woo, 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 woo! Go, girl! Refine! Go, girl! Long story short, my voice gone. Twin weed done got bigger since she came here.
It did. I was hollering for my sister.
I can't even hear myself. We can do that. I told you. Oh my God. Y'all can stop crying.
Oh, you deserve it, Genesis. Don't do that.
Larry, stop crying. Stop. Listen to me. Stop crying. It's gonna be okay.
It's been a long journey, baby, but you deserve it.
Go, girl.
It's all of us, baby. It's all of us. Turn the light on.
Okay, that's enough of me and T ride.
Wow. That's crazy.
Many months later.
When we do it, all night, it's alright, girl. Oh snap!
I'm definitely here.
Riding that dick with no track. She stuck to the kid like a magnet. From the back, fuck up her lashes. Got a hood, bitch, she'll do your taxes. These niggas hoes need a max.
He wanna hang with a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a bad bitch. With a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a bad bitch. He wanna hang with a.
It's my piece
He
of
wanna
cut.
hang with a bad bitch. He all on.
Selfish. Only think about me.
At the tattoo shop. Daddy's little bitch.
Piercings.
I said tattoo shop at a piercing shop.
Anything over 40. Let's have it.
But it's all the neighbors.
Do you sign your boyfriend's progress report? I know. I'm like, you mean
Is that?
I'm gonna just do my right side.
So they can see it.
Is it like it's gonna be? It's the way you putting it. It's gonna be hard right there. It's gonna like hurt to go through.
Yeah, it's all about the same. Which one do you want?
The top one.
The top one?
I just know this gonna hurt. It's hard right there.
Go ahead, it is hard. It's kind of paid. You gonna hold
Might not
my
be
hand?
too bad.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, I'm gonna pull it out and get your soft part the best I can.
She had a little fold over her ear.
Grab my hand.
Hold on, wait. Look, hold on, wait.
Don't touch it.
The first, come on, can I see the first one? I mean, both of them again.
God. That's probably gonna be the softest.
But up there,
The middle one's the hardest.
I know I am.
okay. You should put it at the bottom one.
Girl.
Put it at the bottom one, cause that y'all gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt either way. Okay, come on.
She's funny, ain't she? Hilarious.
Goofy.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
But that wasn't that bad. Okay.
I know you lying the way you just tensed up, girl, thinking I was gonna stab you. It was a little bitty needle. It ain't even a knife. No, it's okay, girl. I got anxiety too. I'm just 1, 2, 3.
Sometimes I regret the day I put this ring on. Looking at
Ooh, Casey, fix your face. Ooh, Casey, fix your face.
Ooh, Casey, fix your face.
This is not your good side.
She said this is not your good side.
It's cute though. I like it. This is cute.
It's leaking a little bit.
That's cute. I should have got mine right there.
Then take you to our house. We got our piercing. Show yours.
Y'all beautiful as fuck.
Thank you.
For me?
You said.
Where you at? I can call it yet.
She didn't get no piercing. She chickened out. But she almost fell out.
Where you at?
Chicken.
She got this.
Oh. Okay. Let me see how I look.
What?
I still some ranch. They knew that wasn't gonna be enough, but
You need to hurry up with that drink. That bread. Tiffany, come on, you doing that shit on purpose, bro. My body's so sore and my arms so hurt.
Oh, Brian.
Sorry, y'all. Alright, I got a strawberry lemonade. I almost put too much in there, so be careful.
I put blueberry lemonade.
I got a water. I got another strawberry. You can change flavor on the refill if you want, okay? Just let me know. Alright, y'all still need some time to look, or y'all?
I know what I want.
We need some more time.
I got you. I can go ahead and get
No, you're not gonna dig in your mouth.
It's so stuck at the top of my lip.
You so unladylike. That's all
I am so unladylike.
That was not. That shit was good.
Let me take somebody them names. Yours look good. Yours look like the blue water.
Eat, ugly.
Oh my god, y'all is so
We not. Fish.
Do not fuck with me. They get that.
What music? Oh, that's so big. I'm right down the road. I got cookie though.
When you drive, do you daydream? I do all the time. It's kind of scary. I just be staring.
It's like I'm driving at the same time too. Like I be aware of the lights.
It's like I'm like,
Especially when I'm listening to music, I'm just daydreaming about like I'm performing.
Sounds like you be performing.
In my head.
Oh my goodness.
Like I'm on a bed, I can stage.
I can see you coming from the center, so I'm like, oh my god.
It's an inside joke.
Bro, that is so funny. That's a late ass laugh.
Your ass stay home next time.
You say that every time we go out, like, bro.
I just think everybody sleep, that's all.
I'm not sleeping, I'm up.
Why? You say that.
I should grab each other ice cream. Take the drive. What drive me at the door, I'm trying to say. That's smacking. You sitting there like this? Pretty irritating. Hey y'all, so I just want to come in here and talk to y'all just for a little bit because I have been gone for a couple of months now. Are y'all surprised? No. I do it occasionally and it's kind of like I'm probably used to it by now, which is not a good thing. Don't get me wrong, it's not a good thing. But life be lifing. As you can tell, I cut my hair off. This how you can tell that life been lifing. And there's so much stuff I gotta catch up on because it's been so much happening in my life to the point where it's been stopping me from recording YouTube videos, and it will be hard for me to lock in and push out content like I want to on top of going through life, especially at my age. Now I'm just not graduating, but I graduated like 2 years ago, and adulting is like so difficult, and I honestly believe that it's only hard unless you making it hard, and I feel like I'm making my life hard for some reason. I don't understand that, but it's kind of like a process. I can just take it one day at a time, and I'm not really trying to beat myself up about it because I know everybody got to grow up one day, and life is not gonna be perfect, period. So that's just how I feel about it. But I just wrote down a couple of things I want to address because y'all missed a lot. So first thing I want to address is my hair. Yes, my hair is gone. I do not have dreads no more, or locks, whatever you want to call it. I do not have locks no more, as you can tell. Why I cut them off? I had cut them off in January. The end of December, coming into January, I had cut them off. I've been wanting to cut my dreads off. I just was kind of skeptical on how I was gonna look with my dreads off because my hair hasn't been short like ever since like middle school, kind of, because I got my locks my 8th grade year. So yeah, kind of since middle school. And when my hair was short, I looked just like my daddy, and that's one thing I do not want to look like. So I just never really decided to cut my hair off until now. Yes, I do still have them. They're in my closet right now. Are they? I kept my locks because eventually I want to reattach them once, like eventually I want to reattach them. When, I don't know. Maybe I just want to see how I will look if I just grow my hair out and see how long it's gonna get. Which is long. Well, it ain't long now, but it's longer than what it was when I cut it. Like I wasn't like bald, but like it was just like, I don't know how to describe it. It was low. In a matter of like 2 months, this is how much it grew. You probably can't tell, but yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my hair. The next thing is I am in a new room. Yeah, I'm probably wondering, the last time y'all seen me, I was doing a moving vlog. Right. Long story short, it was raining one day. Well, not even one day. It was raining real bad. And rain ended up coming through our windows. We have no idea how, but it was. So due to the rain coming through our windows, it was going under our carpet in our room. And that caused mold to grow under our carpet. And this is not just like a one-time thing. Like, it had rained like that whole week, and it was just raining through our window. And like I said, it caused mold, and as y'all know, mold is not good for you at all. So they just ended up putting us in a different apartment building. So yes, I'm in a new room. I got a new bed. I left the white bed. The white bed's gone, y'all. That white bed is good and gone. The grass wall, I still have the grass. It's over here. I want to show y'all because you know what? Just know I still got the grass wall. My room is dirty right now, and I really didn't feel like picking it up just to show y'all. Maybe another video, but as of right now, I just want to give y'all like a little life update. Anyway, we moved like in February, like the beginning of February. Please don't get me wrong, I love this apartment now. It's way bigger than the one that we were staying in. But the only bad thing about it was upstairs. It was so hard trying to move this stuff, y'all, because my mama got so much stuff. Even though I didn't move none of the heavy stuff, because we had hired somebody to move this stuff this time. That's pretty much it. My room is not that different. It's, I don't know how, what's different about it? It's really not that different. I just got a new bed. I can't think of nothing else. And y'all also miss Christmas too. But if you was following me on TikTok, I did do a Vlogmas. So I really updated y'all as far as like Christmas and all the gifts and anything that I was doing on TikTok. So please go follow me on TikTok. If I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm either on Instagram or TikTok. So go follow me on Instagram or TikTok so you can see. What else? Let me look at my list. This video is very chaotic. Y'all probably can't tell by the way that I edited the video, but the beginning of this video was the probate. My best friend's sister probate. Well, she's like a sister to me, but it was her probate. That was in December. No, November. It was in November. So that's how long I've been gone, y'all. I've been gone like 3 to 4 months. That was in November. The rest of the video was it this week? Sometime this, I ain't gonna say this month, cause it's the 1st. It's 5/39, it's the 1st of March. This was all in February. So it's kind of a little off. Y'all probably can't tell until I just told y'all about it, so y'all gonna know now. But what else? Yeah, it's just all over the place. Y'all ain't gonna tell, but it is, and only I can tell, and it aggravates me because it's like the dates are so far apart, and it don't make sense. But it's gonna be titled like a teenage diary, I think. I'm not sure, so I don't know. Anyway, let me look at my list. I told y'all about my new piercing. I did get a new piercing right here. I got my helix pierced yesterday. I love it, y'all. I cannot wait until I get rid of this silver jewelry. I cannot stand silver jewelry. Oh my God. That's besides the point. I already told y'all why I've been gone so long. I'm trying to think of anything else, because I know it's been a lot going on. Oh, I want to show y'all, I did get some new shoes. If y'all been updated on like Jordans and stuff, y'all know I have been wanting these shoes for so long. The box is empty because I had to take the shoes out, but it's the Wolf Gray, the 5s. Y'all, these are so fucking hard. I kid you not. Like, I love a good shoe that can go with anything. Like, I could probably wear these shoes with this jacket I got on. I had unlaced them and laced them myself because I don't like how they look when you first get them. I really want white laces. I don't know when I'm gonna get some though. But springtime is, well, not springtime. Spring break is coming up. I'm outside. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm gonna be outside. So that's really that. But yeah, I really think that's it as far as me catching y'all up on what my life has been like. But let me know in the comments, do I like my haircut? I really don't care, but do I like my haircut? I got an eyebrow slit too. My last haircut. I like that too. I'm gonna keep on getting it. That's really it, y'all. But anyway, I just want to come in and say I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. I know I've been gone for so long, but please cut me some slack. I'm trying. And plus, I'm in school too. So that's been my main priority right now. I'm trying. Anyway, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. My name is TheKasonJamal. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Instagram and TikTok. Just follow me on Instagram and TikTok if y'all want to see more content. And I'll see y'all in the next video.